Hey everyone, how's it going? So what am I working on now? Well, I got a 2013 Audi Q5. That is their mid-size sport utility vehicle. Four-door SUV. It's got the 2-liter turbo in it. Same motor that they use in like the Volkswagen Tiguan's and stuff. And other vehicles too, but just that's the one I can think of off the top of my head. Anyway, so I had to do some work on the variable valve timing actuators. There's separate actuators. It's a weird setup on the cam. I can't even explain it to you how strange it is. One day I'll show you, but it has these solenoids that come out and actuate part of the cam, and the cam moves over and changes the lift. It's really strange. Anyway, those solenoids were leaking. There's 8 of them. There's 2 for each cylinder. So the seals that are on them, they had dried up and they were leaking oil. Okay. So I fixed all of that and I changed the oil. These things don't have a dipstick on the motor. They have a tube and they have a cap, like what Chrysler uses on like the minivans and stuff like that, on the transmissions. They do the same thing on the motor on these things. I don't know why I can't give you a dipstick, especially on an engine, is beyond me, but whatever. So a lot of people wonder, how in the world do you even check the engine oil? I'll show you. So I'm out in the parking lot. I just took it for a road test, make sure everything was okay, and everything's fine. But let me show you here real quick. It's actually pretty simple. So you're inside the vehicle. I got it idling. I'm not sure if you could check these idling. Sometimes you can't. Sometimes you just got to be in the run position. But you hit this button here. It says car. When you do that, this screen comes up. I'll just switch it back to media real quick. Like, this is the screen how it showed before. So then you hit car, and then this screen comes up. So then you use this knob here, and you change it. See that? Oil level okay. So to me, I'm going to read that as it's up the dipstick tube, or up the, if it actually had a dipstick. Like if I was reading it and that would be like the hash mark on it, if I saw that on the hash mark, I'd be absolutely fine. So to me, that's perfect. So I'm good with that. So super simple, easy to do, and I just figured I'd show you. So, all right. Hopefully you got something out of that. If you did, hit that like button. If you could, please subscribe. All right, guys, have a great day. Keep wrenching.